So let's say you got two problems with this information. You're asked to find out what 5% is compounded quarterly. So your first goal is to figure out what m is in this equation. Okay, you might see APY written in a different way too. Sometimes you might see it's 1 plus r over n times t. So the same thing applies here. Or sometimes k instead of n. But the big idea is that this bottom number is supposed to be how many times you get to compound per year. And if it's quarterly, it's got to be a 4 there. So here's what my equation looks like so far. You'll see I put in an 4 in for m because m stands for the number of times we compound per year. So 4 for quarterly, 4 down there, and I put in the decimal form there. And so the last step is just to subtract it by 1 to turn it into a percentage. So we got to evaluate this stuff with a calculator. So you can see I did 0.05 divided by 4 in my calculator. Got it as a decimal. I added 1 to it. Now I'm going to raise it to the 1.0125 to the 4th power. I rounded just a tiny bit there for my calculator value. And now 1 minus all this stuff gives us 0.050945. So as a percentage, our APR is 5.0945. So there we go. Sorry, I said APR below. APY, sorry, APY, annual percentage yield per year, is 5.0945 for this one. So part B gave us 4% compounded continuously. So let's take a quick look at something.